Now I am teaching you a simple and more effective breathing exercises to clear the airways and to remove the secretion. That is called ACT, airway clearance technique, or active cycle of breathing techniques. So now ask the patient to hold their upper lip, upper lobe of the lung, upper lobe. So now take a deep breath through your nose and leave it through your mouth. Take a deep breath through your nose and hold it for some seconds, 2 seconds at least, and leave it through your mouth. Slowly and steadily we have to leave. Slow and steadily. Okay. So 3 repetitions we have to do. Leave it through your lips with rhythmic force. You have to go slow and so this is called passive lip exercise. First lip exercises. Leave it. Then again you have to hold. This is called apical breathing exercise and hold your rib cage. Rib cage. And see, you have to feel the air feeling and how the chest is expansion. Chest expansion, you will come to know that. Take a deep breath through your nose, deeply and slowly you have to take and hold it for some seconds if possible. Then leave it through your mouth slowly, like सीटी बजाते हैं ना ऐसा. So if duration is increased, the airway will be open. It will help to remove the secretions. First, lip breathing. Yes, good, very good. So now you have to see the expansion of her thorax. This is called intercostal breathing. Then you have to hold, you have to keep your hands on tummy, belly. So this is also called as a diaphragmatic breathing exercise. Take a deep breath through your nose, slowly and deeply you have to take. If possible, hold it 2 or 3 seconds. Leave it through your mouth slowly. Okay, this is also 3 times. You have to do. It will help to clear the airway, remove the secretions, and it will increase the lungs capacity. So now I am going to teach you thoracic expansion again. I am same exercise in a different movement. So you have to hold here. So take a deep, slow and deep breath through your nose. And leave it that side. You leave it. That side you have to see and leave same. So you yes. Again take a deep breath through your nose. Good, very good. So this is thoracic expansion breathing exercises. So this is also 3 times. So again you have to take a first deep breath and leave it through your mouth. Yeah, as much as possible. Yes. So straighten your both hands. Both hands should be straight. Okay. This is also 3 times you have to do it. So again you have to Take a deep breath through your nose and hand upward. Okay. So these are F2 techniques of breathing. So simple, we will call it as a F. Okay. These are the simple and more effective breathing exercises in postal drainage or in chest PT, chest physiotherapy. Okay, now I am showing you a simple devices. It is available in your home and it is easily available in market. That is incentive spirometer or dry flow it is also called, and one straw and one cup of water and balloon. So with that we have to do the exercise, breathing exercises. Okay. This is called spirometer. It's available in the market, easily available in the market, and all medical store also you will get it. And this is balloon, 2 rupees balloon. You will get everywhere in everybody's home. So this is simply I took one bottle or any disposable cup. You have to take on that water. Then again in the straw. I bought one straw to make a bubbles. These are very simple exercises, and all these devices are available easily in the market, but it is more and more effective and it will give more benefit to the patients. Okay, now I will tell my friend to make the bubbles in this water. She is not a patient, she is a normal, that's why forcefully she is doing 3 times. Make a bubbles in water. See, her lungs capacity is good. Otherwise, if see, it is stimulating cough reflex cough. She is coughing. This is simple exercise. First, take a deep inhalation. Again, forcefully, you have to fill this balloon. You take this balloon and now I am removing my mask because my friend is not able to blow this balloon. So, but you have to take utmost precautions while giving chest physiotherapy. So, now I am taking a deep breath.